Today's chord is A minor. It's similar in shape to yesterday's chord of E major, except every finger in your left hand or fretting hand is one string lower. So start with your middle finger, okay? Place it on the second fret of the fourth string. Then your third finger underneath on the second fret of the third string. Then your first finger on the first fret of the second string. Throw your thumb over top and mute the low string. So it's muted, you're just touching it, you're not pressing, just touching it with your thumb. Okay, then you should have something like this. Play every string by itself for clarity. Alright, I'll bring it in for a closer look here. Your thumb muting the string. You got your middle finger, your third finger, your first finger. Make sure your first finger is not touching the string underneath, the high E string. Make sure it clears it so the string gets through here and you're not touching it like that. If you're touching it, it results in a muted string, but you want a clear string. So make sure you're not touching it. Again, A minor. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. And if you have any requests, leave them in the comments as well. Thanks.